Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious creamy vanilla ice cream using just 3 ingredients, and you can put them together in less than 2 minutes and pop it in the freezer. It's ready to be served after 3 or 4 hours or overnight. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe below for the upcoming videos. Here I have 2 cups of chilled heavy cream, whipping cream. I'm adding that to a chilled bowl. To this I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix them until it's nice and creamy. Now, if you don't have a stand mix, definitely go ahead and use the whisk. It'll take a little time, but definitely you can do that. Once it's nice and creamy, we are going to add condensed milk to this. I'm adding 1 cup of condensed milk. Go ahead and add that and mix them until it's well combined. Again, it doesn't take more than 30 seconds. Just once that is done, we are going to scoop all the sides together. And then here I have a bread loaf pan, which is also cold and nicely chilled in the refrigerator. I'm going to transfer the ice cream mixture into the bowl and just level it up. Now, if you don't have a bread loaf pan, you can definitely use any kind of bowl that you have at home. That's okay as well. Now we are going to cover this with a cling wrap and make sure you press it down all the way to the ice cream. That way the ice crystals doesn't form on the ice cream. And I'm going to double wrap it and pop it in the freezer overnight or at least 4 hours. Before you want to serve this ice cream, if it is kept overnight, make sure you remove it at least 3 to 5 minutes ahead of time. That way it's easy to scoop it out. Now just scoop it. Serve this with the desired toppings of your choice. You can serve with chocolate syrup, sprinkles, or as it is. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.